Well, that's it right there, guys. That's all of them. It's about 55, 60 of those brim, and one bass in there. On the 2 days there that we caught them fish. I'm gonna fillet them up. We like to fillet them. I'm not really big into scaling all those fish. That's a lot of fish to scale. If I had one of them tumbler deals, auto scaler deals, I could probably do that, but I'm probably gonna fry some up for y'all. I'll scale a couple and fry them up whole, because I know people like that. A lot of people out there like them fried whole. I'm not just really big into the bones and all that, but the skin on them is good. You get the scales off, and that's a good sweet taste. But I'm gonna fillet them up, and we'll put some in some hot grease for y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, well, I'm done. Got them filleted up. I'm gonna tell you, it is summertime in Southeast Texas. It is hot. Got all the fish filleted up. I just got a couple that are whole that I'm gonna fry up for y'all. I'm not gonna do nothing special with these. I'm just gonna put them in a mustard bath like I always do. Put them in some Zatarain fish fry. Give them a little shimmy shake, and put them in some hot grease. Maybe later on we'll catch some bigger ones, and I'm off more. I got to work tonight. I'll make y'all a special little dish. So, but I'm just gonna do this, and I just got, like I say, I got these two whole ones right here. 1, 2. I got them two whole ones. They're good size. I'm gonna cut a slit in them so that you get the fish batter all in that meat and in them slits real good. But we'll do that. Fry them up and give them a taste test. I'm gonna tell y'all what. I just called my father-in-law a while ago about a deer lease related question. But anyway, y'all remember my father-in-law from the sausage making videos? Yeah. Well, I just told him I went to the lake, and he had the audacity to ask me if I caught any fish. I'm like, Craig, you ought to know better by now. And I was like, are you serious? You're asking me if I caught any fish? I said, don't ever ask me that. Don't you ever ask me if I caught any fish. You ask me, how many fish did you catch? The nerve of that guy. I'm gonna go down there and put my foot in his... Anyway, yeah. It's just kind of like, really, Craig? Really, father-in-law? Do you really want your daughter to move back in with you? Don't make me do that to you, because I'll do it. Don't insult me like that. Alright, y'all, there they are. There's your whole ones. Like I say, you gotta open them up. These are always, to me, just kind of they're good, don't get me wrong. I'm just not real big on the bones. Nothing like that. That's what we say down here in the South, that's how them old timers like it. They like them when they do with them catfish too. They like them whole catfish with them tail on. Cut the head and gut them. But that's them. Got some already over here in the grease, and these perch. Look at that. That's why. That's some good looking meat, y'all. With these perch, they big. You know, you're not dealing with just cow pond bluegills. We're talking big brim. And a lot of people are like, man, you fillet them things? Absolutely. I'm not real big on scaling them. I just fillet them up, fry them up. Look at that. It's that big one in there. I need to hurry up so I can try it. I usually don't cook in here. I got one of them big fish fryers that I cook outside, but I haven't got any new grease this year. We were still in the bathroom remodeling stage, and I told my wife, I said, look, I just gotta go. Bluegills moving in and brims coming up. I got to go fishing. I got to get a video out there for the people. So, but I've just been doing that. I ain't had a chance to do anything. So, we've been snacking on them. They definitely good. Get them till they good, crispy, just let them. Good old crispy fish.
Yeah. Hi! Hi! My daddy's cooking, I think fish.
Here, try one.
So, I'm gonna taste that.
Tell people it stinks.
So yummy.
Is it good?
It's good.
So good. Cheyenne approved. Let me have one with you.
Yeah.
Here it is. There's one of them little old fillets. Oh man, they bigger than your finger. Where my finger go? Okay.
1, 2, 3. So yummy.
Alright, where is that?
Amazing.
Alright. So here's the one with the. Oh, I don't like eating these like this. It's just too much. A lot of people, they'll just pull the tail off. Get that tail. Tail's crispy. When it's cooked real good. And the fins. But eating around all them bones, I'm just not into it. But somebody else is. Benji! Benjamin!
Hey guys, it's me again.
Up! Good boy. Benji will do it. But you can eat like them fins off. That's about it. They're just messy. Bones everywhere. I'd rather just... Well, wife and kid got home from school.
I'm back.
And just like that, 55, 60 fillets are gone.
Yeah.
Cook them all, they want them all. Even Benji. And a tater tot.
Tater tots for sale.
So anyway, well, with a big old outdoor family, we out. Y'all tell them, keep it bougie, people.
Keep it bougie, people. Yeah, keep it bougie.
Say it all together.
Keep it bougie.
Hold on. When I count to 3, y'all say it all together.
Keep it bougie, people. Outdoors.
Right here on big old outdoor.